In a world where innovation meets practicality, Honda has once again raised the bar with a creation that redefines how we think about travel and exploration. The Honda Camper is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle solution, a compact yet powerful machine designed for those who crave freedom, adventure, and comfort on the road. Built on Honda's reputation for reliability and forward-thinking engineering, this camper delivers an experience that blends futuristic design with real-world usability. From the very first glance, the camper captivates with its sleek and aerodynamic profile. The exterior is sculpted with smooth flowing lines, a balance of modern elegance and rugged strength. Honda's design team has infused this machine with a personality that feels both futuristic and approachable. Its compact frame makes it versatile for city streets, mountain roads, or long highways, while still offering the presence and functionality of a full camper. Integrated LED lighting, bold grille design, and subtle metallic finishes give it an unmistakable identity that turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the transformation from vehicle to mobile living space becomes clear. The Honda Camper is a masterclass in space optimization. Every inch has been carefully engineered to maximize comfort and usability. A bright, open interior greets you, with cleverly integrated storage, modular seating, and a smart layout that adapts to different needs. The seating area easily converts into a sleeping space, while a compact kitchenette offers all the essentials for life on the move: stove, sink, and mini fridge neatly tucked into an efficient design. Honda has ensured that technology plays a central role in this camper's appeal. A digital control hub allows users to manage lighting, climate, and power with ease. Solar panels mounted on the roof feed into a high-capacity battery system, giving travelers the ability to stay off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort. USB ports and charging docks are seamlessly integrated, ensuring all devices stay powered. For those who embrace the digital nomad lifestyle, this camper becomes not just a vehicle, but a mobile office, adventure hub, and relaxation zone combined. Performance has not been overlooked either. The Honda Camper is powered by an efficient yet powerful engine, offering smooth handling, responsive acceleration, and impressive fuel economy for its class. Advanced suspension and stability systems provide confidence across diverse terrains, whether navigating winding mountain passes, sandy trails, or crowded cityscapes. With Honda's signature reliability at its core, this camper ensures peace of mind on every journey. Beyond its mechanical strength, the camper is also built with sustainability in mind. Honda's commitment to eco-friendly solutions is reflected in the materials used for the interior, the hybrid or fully electric options available, and the integration of renewable energy through its solar systems. It represents not only freedom for the traveler but also respect for the environment they explore. The little details are what truly set this camper apart. Thoughtful touches like panoramic windows bring in natural light and sweeping views of the outdoors. Fold-out tables and hidden compartments make every function seamless. Ambient interior lighting creates a calming atmosphere at night, while a climate system keeps the cabin comfortable year-round. Even the sound system is tuned to perfection, allowing travelers to enjoy music, podcasts, or quiet relaxation on their journeys. Ultimately, the Honda Camper is more than a vehicle, it's a symbol of a new way of living. It invites adventurers to break away from the ordinary, to embrace spontaneity, and to find comfort wherever the road takes them. Whether it's a weekend escape to the mountains, a cross-country adventure, or a long-term nomadic lifestyle, this camper adapts to every vision of freedom. With this creation, Honda has once again proven that innovation is not just about machines, it's about experiences. The Honda Camper is where mobility meets home, where design meets practicality, and where adventure